Hello, my strong seniors. Welcome back to our 60-day exercise series. Today is day 12, and we'll do 3 easy daily leg exercises to boost your strength, balance, and confidence. If you're new here, start from day 1 and don't forget to subscribe so you can stay consistent. Exercise 1, seated leg lifts. All right, my strong seniors, let us begin our first exercise for today, seated leg lifts. Please sit comfortably on your chair, keep your back straight, and place your hands on the sides for support. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor, shoulders relaxed, and your chest open. Now gently lift your right leg straight up. Hold it there for 1 second and slowly bring it down. Next, lift your left leg, hold and lower it back down with control. This movement strengthens your thighs, knees, and lower legs, helping you improve balance, walking strength, and circulation. We are going to do this 50 times together, alternating both legs. Are you ready? Let us begin. Here we go together. Lift and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. Breathe steadily. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Excellent pace. Keep your posture tall. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway there. Do not stop now. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Wonderful effort. Stay strong. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, almost there. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You are doing amazing. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Last few reps. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Beautiful work, my strong seniors. That was a great set of seated leg lifts. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. You should feel a light burn in your thighs. That means your leg muscles are getting stronger and more flexible. How are you feeling right now? Are your legs feeling warm or energized? If you are watching this from your second week, you might already feel a little more stability while standing or walking. That is your progress showing. And now I want you to tell me in the comments below, which country are you exercising from today? Also, share this video with your senior friends so they can join you in staying strong, active, and healthy. Exercise 2, chair sit and stand. All right, my strong seniors, now we are moving on to our second exercise called the chair sit and stand. This one is amazing for building leg strength, balance, and mobility. It helps you move more easily in your daily life. So let us begin. First, take a sturdy chair and place it right behind you. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, toes facing forward, and your back nice and straight. Now slowly bend your knees, sit down gently, touch the chair, and then stand up straight again. Remember to keep your chest up, your knees strong, and your movements controlled. We are going to do this 50 times together. Yes, 50. And do not worry, I will be right here counting and guiding you all the way. Let us begin now. Take a deep breath and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep breathing with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful. You are doing great. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there. Do not stop. Keep that rhythm. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Excellent job, my strong seniors. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 'Almost done. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Stay tall and strong. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Final stretch. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Beautiful work. Take a moment to sit back down and catch your breath. Feel that strength in your thighs, hips, and knees. That is the power you are building each day. If this is your 12th day of the challenge, your legs should already be feeling stronger and more stable. How are you feeling today? I would love to hear in the comments below. And remember, my seniors, share this video with your friends so they can exercise with you and stay healthy together. Exercise 3, seated toe raises. All right, my wonderful seniors, now it is time for our third and final exercise of the day, seated toe raises. This movement might look simple, but it is extremely effective for strengthening your ankles, calves, and lower legs, which helps with balance, walking stability, and fall prevention. So, let us begin. Sit tall on your chair once again. Keep your feet flat on the floor, your back straight, and your hands resting comfortably on your thighs. Now, lift your toes upward while keeping your heels firmly on the ground, and then slowly lower your toes back down. Make sure to move gently and with control. Feel the stretch in your ankles each time you lift. We are going to do this 50 times together. Are you ready? Take a deep breath, smile, and let us start counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Keep the rhythm. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wonderful work. Keep breathing. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway done. Do not slow down now. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Stay with me, keep those toes lifting. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Feel that light burn in your shins. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. Stay strong. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Last few. Keep smiling. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Fantastic job, my strong seniors. You have completed your seated toe raises perfectly. Take a moment to relax your feet and feel that gentle warmth around your ankles. That means your circulation and balance are improving. If you have been following this 60-day journey, you are doing something truly wonderful for your health. How do your legs feel after today's session? Tell me in the comments. I love hearing your progress stories. And do not forget, share this video with 5 to 7 of your senior friends so they can join you on this fitness journey and get stronger too.